The Northeast Students Organization, in collaboration with the Kasi Students Union, yesterday hosted a candlelight vigil at Kindalat to call for peace in Manipur and to stop violence in Manipur. Speaking to reporters during the candlelight vigil, Neso President Samuel Jirwa has expressed shock at the silence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the Manipur situation and wanted to know whether there is any hidden agenda as violence is allowed to continue in the neighboring state. He also said that this has raised a serious question about the capability of the armed forces in maintaining peace in Manipur. Jirwa informed that the Neso team will shortly visit the state of Manipur to meet leaders from both Meitei and Kuki organizations.
Candlelight Vigil is to call for peace in Manipur and also to stop the violent activities in the state of Manipur. Well, it's very surprising and shocking that the Prime Minister of the country, who used to be very active in commenting on any issues affecting the country or affecting the different states of the country, is still silent till today, even after nearly 2 months that this mayhem has occurred in the state of Manipur.
The Directorate of